Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another pour today. Hopefully it's a goodie and works out to plan. So this is a 50 by 40 centimetre canvas, so it's a nice size, not too big and not too small. And I've got some very weird and wonderful colours that I really would like to try on this piece, custom colours that I've made up. So I'm going to just explain as I go along, probably is the best thing to do. So I actually want to cover my canvas in this really soft baby pink. Might just add a little bit more water to it to make sure it's free flowing when I blow the other paint around on it. So my paint's made up with the same recipe that I normally use, and that's in the description box below this video. If you just click on the title of the video, the drop down box will appear with the description in it. So that's where you'll find that. So I'm going to just, yeah, this is way too thick. I will just spread that out on the canvas so it gives it a nice pink base. I'm not a real pinky person now, but I just think these colours might go really nice with a pink background, and it is a very nice soft colour that a lot of people are still using, definitely in bedrooms and bathrooms and things. Pinks and greys are probably the thing that's in at the moment. But anyway, I will get on with this. My spatula, so let's pour a bit more, see how we go. That's probably more the consistency that I want, but it'll do to just spread the first coat over your canvas. So when you're doing this, just take this time to just relax and contemplate and enjoy. I suppose it's a bit of a definitely art therapy. So I'm doing it nice and easy, and remember, don't stress over paint, because ultimately it is just paint. So things don't go quite to plan. Just yeah, don't stress about it, I say. It's not worth it. Rightio, okie doke. That's got the base coat on, so it doesn't have to be fancy or anything. I just wanted a coat on there. So it's just my ordinary acrylic paint. It's nothing any different than what I normally use. So I am going to layer these weird and wonderful colours. Rightio. This was it started off as my Viridian green. It is Viridian green, and I added a good dash, which I'm crazy about, is this pearl mist, which has given it a really lovely sparkle in there. It's just beautiful. So I really wanted to add some of this to this particular piece. So I'm going to do a big sort of snaky loop. Now this was, which is not my favourite colour green, and it's called just green, a deep green, but I added again a good load of the pearl mist, which has took it a lot lighter than it would normally be. So some of this is going in here too. So green and pinks go pretty nice together. So I'm going to put the green and the pink. Now I'm going to put some gold in there. I'll go from this end maybe. So it doesn't have to have too much of the colour in, but I think I will do another sort of loop off this up that way. Maybe she said as she does it. So I haven't worked with greens or very often, because I'm just not a green lover. I might put a bit of green in somewhere, but I'm not a green lover. But I've seen some lovely pieces, and I've had some lovely pieces that have come out just beautiful with the green. So I'm going to throw the loop. What I've added this week and has gone beautifully is this orange, of all things. You would not think it, but oh, I hope that I'm right this time. I have done this in a pour, or this orange in a pour this week, and it just turned out beautiful. I was so happy with it, and had lots of people offer to buy it, so they love the colour so much, which surprised me. But there you go, everybody's got different tastes, haven't they? And that's what it's all about. So I'm just pouring this over it, so we've got a nice sort of slippery base for the crazy washing machine blow, as I call it. It's like the it's not just an ordinary blow, it's like I do my Dutch pours, as they're called, but it's like a washing machine. I'm all over the place. So I may have added too much now. I may have gone over the top, but that's all right. Okie doke. I'm just going with those colours for now. I'm going to give it a whiz over with my heat gun. Burst any air bubbles. Not necessary, but I like to do it. Rightio. Now I really want to think about where I'm going to blow these bits and bobs, so let's try and do this slowly, she says. Ooh! Oh gosh. Pink, pink, pink. That is beautiful. Wow, I'm loving that. Stop. Those colours are so beautiful together. They are really lovely. Just finish off your very edges with you can either do it with a sponge brush or you can do it with your fingers, just doing what I'm doing with a gloved finger, just using some of the runoff paint to just finger pop it along the edge. So you've got the colour down on your board, you know, your side of your canvas. And just kind of tapping in with your finger does a lovely job. Wow, I love those colours together. That's just super duper. I need to do that back down. I can't see over there. Maybe I'll just turn it around. Oh wow. Those colours work so well together. I know I've got lots of people saying they did not think those colours would work, but they really do look lovely together. Really, really lovely. Okay. I am just gonna whiz over it with my heat gun. I will just allow the, I'll just finish off my sides and the back here, but I am so happy with that. So that was a Viridian Green with a good dash of the Pearl Mist, and it was the green, deep green with a good dash of the pearl mist. And then the orange had a good dash of yellow in it that makes it nice and bright. And then of course gold, so it's just those colours, metallic gold, and it's really shimmery, shiny. I really don't want to blow out any other areas in that. I'm really quite happy with it. So I hope you guys like that. Was something in completely different colours than what you'd think of to put together, but I definitely think it works. It looks so beautiful, so I'm happy with that. So that's really, if you're the artist and you're happy with it, that's all that matters. I'm here just to give you a guide of technique and colours that you may like to put together or you may not. But yeah, I'm just here to give you a little bit of helping hand with choosing some colours that might go or you may like and never thought of, technique. So there you go, it's done for today. Please let me know what you think about this particular colour combo. I am absolutely loving the greens with the orange at the moment and with the pink background. I think it works really, really well. But that's just me. Alrighty, until tomorrow, you lovely folk, please take care of yourselves and your health, because if your health's no good, then you can't help anyone else. So until tomorrow, bye for now.